What is up? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm echoing already. It's fine. I need to get a mic. I just haven't gone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla. I make makeup videos. I have most of my face done today already, which usually I come on and I'm like, hello, I'm there. But today I'm not, because we are just doing an eyeshadow look today. I am going to be using Pat McGrath. I'm either going to use, or might use both of, this Pat McGrath Labs, the Mothership eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. Mothership Rose Decadence. She looks like this. Or I'm going to use this Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. She's cute. I've had this one for a little while, but I haven't used it on camera. I've used it like once or twice in person, but not on camera. I thought I filmed a video, but I don't know what happened to the footage. And then this one I've like swatched, but I haven't used it on my eyes. So not quite sure which one I'm going to dabble with the most. Probably both, because this one doesn't have a ton of mattes. I really thought I posted a video, but I don't know. We're just gonna roll with it. So let me zoom you guys in. I'm kind of like, my blush is super dark. I never wear blushes dark. I like very light peachy or orange blushes. This is like really dark and really pink, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm also wearing a much brighter highlighter that I've been using lately, so my makeup overall is just heavier than I've been wearing it. So let's see how this goes. Alrighty, I don't know what look I'm gonna do. I want to swatch a couple for you, not like too many. So like this is from the big one. They're pretty. I like this one and this one a lot. Let's do one of the mattes just for funsies. They feel kind of dry on my fingers, but they spread out really well, so we'll see, I guess. And then I'll do the other one momentarily. I got the small one on sale. It was like $32, something like that, and Pat McGrath is never that cheap, and so I could not pass it up. So for the smaller one, my hand is a little damp now. Keep that in mind. Ooh, that copper is stunning. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. I guess we're just gonna roll with it. I have no idea where I'm going with this. I'm gonna take this Jaclyn Hill brush. It's the JH31 by Morphe. And I'm gonna go into this pink here, because there isn't, like, there's another pink in the other palette, but it's cool tone, so I'm gonna go in with this one, which is Peach Dusk. Ooh, there's a lot of kick up. And that one little just boop made all of that on there, so. Okay, interesting. There's a lot of pigment. I don't think I have a Pat McGrath palette besides these two. That really had a lot of pigment, but it blended out really well, so I am pleased. Let's see if this eye, I'm gonna have to dip back in. My more difficult eye can be just as good. I think it looks good. I wish there was like a light brown, but it's fine. I might dip in with that cool tone one from the other palette and just kind of like go into the crease a little bit. Yeah, that just kind of like deepened the hair. There's like a dark brown, but I felt like that would be too much for the inner. Maybe the outer corner, like the outer crease. The outer V. Why did I say the outer crease? So yeah, there's not a lot of like crease shades in here to kind of work with. But there's a dark, dark purple. I don't know what I want to go for. I guess I'm gonna dabble into the smaller pink palette that has been used that purple shade. It's called Hedonistic Rose, and put that in the outer. Okay, I have a kind of an idea now what I'm gonna go for. I wish I hadn't brought that up and in. I wish I had just kept it on the outer part. But now that I did it to one side, I gotta do it to the other. These blend out so well. And the pigment is super buildable. Like, that blends beautifully. I'm going to wipe off my brush before I smooth this out better. Okay, I like that so far. I'm going to go in with the deeper purple from the big palette, and then I might end up using that brown too. We'll just see how it looks with the deeper purple. Purple is not in my comfort zone, so. I feel like I could have used a more precise brush. You know what? When I reviewed these brushes, I didn't care for the eyeshadow ones that much. And with this to be blending out so well with this brush, like I can only imagine what it's like with like brushes that I really like. Maybe it's like because it got washed. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the brown. Just a hair, just to like, here we go. Just to keep it from being too purple. You know, I dig it. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Pat McGrath one and use Odyssey, which is this shade, and not bring it super far in. I'm gonna keep it mostly in the middle towards the outer side. It's definitely falling on my face and on my desk. It's definitely pretty. It's darker than I thought it was gonna be. Let me wipe off my desk before I get on my shirt. I'm gonna wipe off my face with this brush. And I'm gonna blend that out in my crease a little bit. Okay, it's definitely more purple than I was ready for. I want a bright part color on the inner corner, and I can't decide between these three. This one, which is this one, I think. Yeah. Or I could do this one. I think I'm gonna do this one, which is that one up there, which is the one I originally said I could use. So we're gonna use some Fix Plus and Maker Work. And I'm using this Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. I would never use this in my crease, unless I was carving it out. So these colors don't pick up very well with the wet brush. I had to really dig it in there. Okay, that was the look that I was thinking. That I kind of wanted that purple to be. I thought the purple was gonna be lighter. Might have to mix some purple together with it to kind of get it to be where I was hoping this would go. I'm gonna dip into this shade and mesh those two together. I'm gonna go back in with that. Actually, no, I think it looks good. We're just gonna go on with this brush and blend it out. That looks good. I like it. I think I need a shade on my inner corner, but I'm not gonna use any of these. I'm gonna use a highlighter. So I'm gonna take this MAC Powder Double Gleam, and this is a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a number. I really like how precise it is. I just wanted a little bit of brightness, nothing too wild. I'm gonna put some up here too. Okay, she bad, I like that. Now I need my bottom lashes. The Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH40, it's a lot smaller. And I'm going to use the first crease shade that I used from the smaller palette. And then I'm going to use that same purple from that palette. And a little bit of the brown just to kind of smoke it out. I probably was out of frame, but it's fine. And then I'm going to mimic the top with those same lid shades. Okay, I think it looks good. So I'm not gonna do a wing, but I'm gonna put some bottom liner on. I didn't want something too bright, so I grabbed like a darker purple of the purples that I had. And I'm just gonna run that in my waterline. Yeah, it's not too bright, it just makes it a little bit more sultry. That's the ColourPop Pink line. I don't know if they still make it. But yes, I like it. Now I'm gonna pop on some mascara. My favorite lately has been still the Big Ego from Tarte. I really like this. Top lashes are done. I like them. I think they look very fluffy. Now my bottom lashes is always the Wonder Eye Club. I need to get back into the lash growth serum. I might dabble a little bit more on top of the Too Faced Better Than Sex and just kind of. Okay. I just added a little bit darkness to the ends of my lashes. Let's make it a little longer. Okay. It looks good. I feel like we need a lip now. I also feel like I'm still really close, but I need a lip. Something nude and neutral, I think. Mars. It's still a little warm, but I think I'm just gonna go with it. I dig it. I might pop some of that Sephora one in the center. Just to give it a little bit of dimension. I kind of want a gloss too, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I like these palettes. I thought they blended out really nicely. They're pretty shiny and vibrant. I dig it. It's a very sultry look, but it's cool. Purple isn't really my vibe. I struggle with it a lot, but I think it looks good. So I know I have mascara under there. I gotta wait for it to dry. Okay, gotta wait for it to dry. All right, guys. But yeah, I really liked these. Maybe we could do, like, if you want more swatches, let me know. I can put some on my Instagram. I just didn't think it was necessary to swatch them all here for once. So yeah, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you in my next video. Check out my Instagram. It's @MakeupMySmile. Bye.